you got to plan your equipment accordingly, or you're going to end up wasting a lot of money in space. And then the other thing with equipment that I deal with, especially at the high school level, is when we get into a weight room where we make the mistake of having a piece that's a single use piece or a single user piece. So a single use piece is a glute hand bench, right? You can do a couple different things off it, right? But if you take the seated tricep machine, you're pretty limited on what you can do. And so you're dropping, $3,000 to $5,000 on a machine that only does one thing. And so if I can get a squat rack or a power rack where I can do 100 different things in it, I'm going to get a lot more back for my dollar and for my space. Then the other thing to factor in is an example. We'll go back to the glute hand bench, an amazing piece of equipment. But if I'm in a high school and I have one of them and I got 40 kids in a weight room, tell me how I program that, right? Without having a line of 30 kids wasting time and taking up space. So it's a great piece of equipment, but unless you have the ability, unless you are Alabama or you're Ohio State where you can buy 10 of them where we can maximize that, then you might want to reconsider. Now, if you're doing one-on-one sessions, that's a different story.